BBC and Disney branded television join forces on Doctor Who. Disney Plus is to become the new global home for upcoming seasons of Doctor Who outside the UK and Ireland. In a press release released today, the BBC continues as Doctor Who's exclusive home in the UK. New episodes will premiere on BBC and Disney Plus in late next year. Today, the BBC and Disney branded television, two giants of entertainment, have come together to transform Doctor Who into a global franchise for UK audiences and the rest of the world. Under a shared creative vision, they will deliver the quintessentially British show to future generations on an unprecedented scale, with Disney Plus as the exclusive home for the new seasons of Doctor Who outside of the UK and Ireland. The announcement, which today was made this morning by the next Doctor Who, Ncuti Gatwa, during an appearance on Live with Kelly and Ryan, begins a new collaboration between BBC and Disney branded television. Both partners have aligned under the returning showrunner Russell T Davies' bold vision, who takes control of the TARDIS in 2023. He was responsible for bringing back Doctor Who in 2005 and the massive revival that it came to be, and is credited with propelling the TV show into being one of the biggest hits ever on BBC television. The new episodes will premiere on BBC and Disney Plus beginning in late 2023 for fans all over the world. The show will be produced in Wales by Bad Wolf and BBC Studio Productions. Russell T Davies says, "I love the show and this is the best of both worlds. With the vision and joy of BBC and Disney Plus together, we can launch the TARDIS all around the planet, reaching a new generation of fans while keeping our traditional home firmly on the BBC in the UK." Charlotte Moore, who is BBC's Chief Content Officer, says, "We are thrilled to announce this exciting global partnership with Disney, who are the perfect partners to bring this very British show to the rest of the world. Russell T Davies' vision for Doctor Who has always been out of this world, and we are committed to ensuring that audiences across the globe get the opportunity to enjoy Doctor Who's epic adventures with the scale and ambition that they deserve. Joining forces with Disney will elevate the show to even greater heights and reach new audiences, so it is extremely exciting. It is an extremely exciting time for fans in the UK and across the world." Elisa Bowen, president of Disney Plus, says, "We are excited by the opportunity to bring new seasons of this beloved franchise exclusively to Disney Plus and introduce the show to the next generation of audiences in more than 150 markets across the world. The new series is a perfect addition to our ever-growing catalogue of global content that continues to make Disney Plus the home for exceptional storytelling." President of Disney branded television, Io Davis, says, "Doctor Who has captivated the imaginations of families around the world for the past 6 decades. We are so excited about this collaboration with the BBC and the opportunity to bring this iconic franchise and Russell T Davies' brilliant vision to life for a huge new global audience. Grab your sonic screwdrivers and prepare to travel through space and time." And then there's just like a whole load of quotations from different people from BBC Studios and stuff. We've got something from Jane Tranter and Julie Gardner, who are executive producers and co-founders of Bad Wolf. The new episodes of Doctor Who will return to screen in November 2023 to coincide with the 60th anniversary of the show, and will premiere exclusively on the BBC for the UK and Ireland. David Tennant will play the 14th Doctor for 3 specials before Ncuti Gatwa takes over the role of the 15th Doctor over the festive period. And to celebrate today's news, a new Doctor Who logo was unveiled for a new era. All information correct as of recording. The information provided in this video will be left in the description below, so you can read the article. I'll be back with more Doctor Who news in the future. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.